Did you know that your skin loses over half a liter of water every day and that it can lose up to 25% of its ability to hold moisture in winter? So forget the Instagram trends about the latest skincare hack. Today we are going back to basics, exploring how a humble bottle of moisturizer can be your skin's best friend. Hi, I'm Dr. Sejal Saheta, your friendly neighborhood skincare guide, and this is Getting Comfortable in Your Skin. A lot of my patients ask for my opinion on the latest skincare brand, product, or ingredient, and I always tell them the same thing. Skincare is about getting the basics right and ensuring that you stick to them no matter what. Today, we will be talking about the often overlooked yet incredibly impactful superhero in your skincare regime, the moisturizer. So let's start with why moisturize? What good does it do? Well, simply put, moisturizing is like giving your skin a daily makeover minus the bill. But on a more serious note, there are 4 primary things that moisturizers help with. The most obvious effect of moisturizers on skin is that they help hydrate it and thereby make it look more plumper and radiant. In addition to this, they also help fortify your skin and improve its barrier function, preventing water loss and shielding against pathogens, pollutants, and other stressors. Moisturizers also help reduce irritation and inflammation of the skin. And lastly, they improve the texture and elasticity of the skin, making it smoother and softer. This in turn improves the skin's firmness and prevents sagging. In short, regular and continued use of moisturizers can keep your skin glowing, healthy, and young for a very long time. And what happens if you stop moisturizing? Your skin will start throwing a bit of a tantrum. Think of it like your skin's version of a hangry outburst. Initially, your skin will start looking duller on account of lack of hydration and reduced cellular turnover, followed by a decline in its barrier function, making you more susceptible to irritants and allergens, which may cause inflammation and itchiness. In the long term, you may risk contracting infections, and it can even lead to chronic skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. With so much power at its disposal, you may wonder what exactly is in these magical concoctions. A good moisturizer consists of a balance of ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid, which are humectants and can attract moisture like a magnet. Moisturizers also carry emollient oils and lipids which soften and smoothen the skin. Meanwhile, occlusives and ceramides improve the barrier function of your skin. Moisturizers may have additional ingredients like vitamin C and E, which are great antioxidants and help protect your skin from internal and environmental stressors. Anti-inflammatory agents present in moisturizers can soothe and heal the skin, while sunscreen components can protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Now, on this journey called life, our skin changes and so should our moisturizers. Babies and children have delicate skin which is more prone to irritation and as such need a simple gentle moisturizer without any fragrances or harsh chemicals. Teenagers with their roller coaster hormones tend to develop oilier and more acne prone skin and therefore need an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog pores and will help manage oiliness and acne. Young adults, on the other hand, need to protect the skin from the environment and prevent early signs of aging. For them, I recommend a lightweight moisturizer with antioxidants and SPF components. Moving into the 40s and 50s, it's time for the heavyweights. Moisturizers with hyaluronic acid, which are also rich in anti-aging ingredients like retinol and peptides, can help keep those wrinkles in check. And for our graceful seniors, nourishing, barrier-boosting moisturizers rich in emollients and ceramides are the key to supple, happy skin. In addition to your age, you must also consider your skin's unique requirements when choosing a moisturizer. Starting with your skin type. If you have oily skin, you must use a lightweight, oil-free and non-comedogenic moisturizer. While for dry skin, you will have to avoid alcohol-based products and use emollient-rich creams with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides. It gets a little complicated for people with combination skin, as you may have to possibly use two types of moisturizers for your oily and dry zones. Much like choosing the right outfit based on weather, you may need to choose the right moisturizer. Light, water-based moisturizers for humid climate and rich oil-based creams for dry or cold climate. If you suffer from a specific skin condition, you may need to choose a moisturizer a bit more wisely. For acne-prone skin, non-comedogenic oil-free moisturizers are a must. While for chronic skin conditions like eczema or rosacea, you may need to choose a moisturizer with ingredients like niacinamides or aloe vera, which have soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Lastly, if you have very sensitive or allergy-prone skin, use a hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, gentle moisturizer free of alcohol. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to moisturizers, your daily skin saviors. Remember, choosing the right moisturizer is like choosing the right partner for a dance. It needs to match your rhythm and steps. Till next time, stay moisturized, happy and comfortable in your skin.